Malacanang announces Wednesday, President Rodrigo Duterte ordered government officials to look for a private company to ship smuggled trash back to Canada. Presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo says Duterte is outraged by Canada's failure to meet the May 15 deadline for the return of the container vans containing trash.
As a result of this offending delay, the President has instructed the appropriate office to look for a private shipping company which will bring back Canada's trash to the latter's jurisdiction. The government of the Philippines will shoulder all expenses.
The president first threatened to ship back the garbage April 23, threatening war if Canada would not oblige. The 69 container vans of garbage were brought into the Philippines illegally in 2013 and 2014, shipped by an Ontario-based private export company.